Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the Sketchup plugin that you must have. So let's start. Bender is one of the very powerful plugin that is totally free available. You don't have to pay for this. By using this Bender plugin, you can paint any object in curved surfaces, whether it is a simple curve or a complex curve. It's a very useful that every SketchUp user must have. Soft Skin and Bubble plugin is another very powerful plugin for SketchUp that every SketchUp users must have. This plugin allows you to apply a skin over edges to create complex and curved surfaces. This plugin is available for 1 year free trial. You can download it from SketchUp warehouse extensions, and there is a link below that you can use to download this plugin. This cloth work plugin is one of the favorite of mine. By using this plugin, you can simulate a cloth over any surfaces, and you can also simulate a flag and curtain like of simulation with the wind. This plugin is available in paid version, but you can download it for free, but there is some limitation for this free version. The another plugin is round corner plugin. You can make a corner round by using this plugin. So this is also very useful plugin that you must have. Animate section plugin is also very powerful plugin. By using this plugin, you can animate any model with a sectional cut within a minute. You don't need to apply a sectional plan for this. This plugin is totally available for free of cost. The SketchUp UV mapping tool is one of the very powerful UV mapping tool. So this is also available free of cost. You can download it from extension warehouse. By using this plugin, you can map a texture like a box mapping, tube mapping, cylindrical mapping, spherical mapping, and a plane mapping. So this plugin is very powerful that you must have if you are using a SketchUp. Fredo 6 Animator plugin. This is a perfect animation tool for a SketchUp. You can animate model with all kind of transitions, movement and camera tracking. If you are animation lovers, this plugin you must have. This plugin is available for free of cost. Thanks for watching. Have fun.